In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Tally forms to your Wix website. Whether you're collecting customer feedback, running a survey, or creating a simple contact form, integrating Tally forms into your Wix site is straightforward and efficient. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Tally, which is a free online form builder. Open your web browser and type in the URL for the Tally homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click on the Login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one from this page as well. After clicking Login, proceed by selecting the option to continue with Google. This makes the login process quicker and ensures that your forms can be easily managed and accessed across devices. When prompted, you'll need to click on your Google account that you prefer to use for this service. And just like that, you're in. If you've already created forms, you'll see them on your dashboard. If not, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. With your form created, let's move on to sharing it. Look for the Share option on your Forms page and click on it. This will present you with different ways to share your form. Select Embed Form from the options. This is where you'll find the code needed to integrate the form into your Wix site. You should see an option to get the code, which can then be copied to your clipboard. Ensure you have copied the entirety of the embed code before moving on. Now let's switch over to your Wix site. Start by accessing the Wix editor, which is where you manage and design your website. Once you have the editor open, look for the section that says Add Elements. This section is vital for adding new features and enhancements to your site. Click on it and a menu will appear with numerous options. From this menu, you need to click on Embed Code. This brings up further choices on how to embed code on your site, so you should now select Embed HTML. An HTML box will pop up. This is where you'll paste the code you copied earlier from Tally. Simply right-click or use the shortcut to paste the code directly into this box, making sure everything looks correct and matches with the code you copied. Then go ahead and click on Update. This action saves the changes and makes your new form live on your Wix site for all your visitors to interact with. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated a Tally form into your Wix website. It's a simple process, but one that can have huge benefits by making your site more engaging and data-driven. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this addition as exciting as I do. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to reach out in the comments below.